Enhancing low vision through comprehensive courses. As we know, vision impairment can cause challenges, but with the right resources and approaches, low vision can get better. In this video, we will explore how comprehensive courses can empower low vision to enhance visual skills, boost confidence, and achieve their goals. So let's get started. Our eyes are one of the most crucial sensory organs, allowing us to experience the world around us. But factors like digital device usage and lifestyle choices can contribute to vision problems. This is where eyesight improvement courses come into play, offering strategies and techniques to help maintain and even enhance visual health. Low vision can impact daily activities like reading, writing, and recognizing faces, but it's crucial to recognize that low vision doesn't mean low potential. Comprehensive eyesight improvement courses for people with low vision offer a way to improve. Eye training course, Eyesight Academy, with the best eye exercises to improve your eye health and vision. A link in the description below. Benefits of comprehensive eyesight improvement courses. First, eye care skill enhancement. Eyesight improvement courses provide insights to maintain healthy vision. Learning about proper eye care, nutrition, and lifestyle adjustments can help reduce the risk of developing vision issues. Second, customized eye training techniques. Eyesight improvement courses are designed to improve various vision needs. Whether you are nearsighted, farsighted, or dealing with conditions like astigmatism, the course offers customized eye training techniques for each eye condition. Third, eye strain relief. With the rise of digital devices, eye strain has become a common issue. Eyesight improvement courses often teach techniques to avoid digital eye strain, helping to find relief and maintain comfortable vision during prolonged screen time. Fourth, enhance eye focus. Improved eyesight with better focus and enhanced visual acuity can lead to improved performance and a more enjoyable experience. Fifth, increased awareness of visual habits. Eyesight improvement courses encourage you to become more mindful of your visual habits. Learning to blink regularly, adjust lighting conditions, and take breaks every 20 minutes to reduce eye strain can significantly help to get better eye health. 6. Holistic approach to vision. Eyesight improvement courses often emphasize a holistic approach to vision health. Relaxation techniques, eye training, and meditation to relax facial muscles not only benefit the eyes, but also contribute to overall well-being. 7. Confidence boost. Improving eyesight can lead to a boost in self-confidence. When you experience enhanced vision, it can positively impact how you perceive yourself and how you interact with the world around you. Conclusion. Eyesight improvement courses are more than just educational programs. They're gateways to improve quality of your life. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with the friends and family who might benefit also. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a world of better vision and brighter days ahead.